we are running late, just for a change. Yes, at least it has started. There goes the spreader. Oh, bloody hell. That would have been good. That would have been a good start, wouldn't it? Crack the window. Probably wondering where we've been for the last month or so. It's just been mayhem. It's been mayhem for the last month. There's just simply been no time behind the computer, unfortunately. But today it's all about the plough match. We'll do a farm update. We will get to that soon. Oh yes, here we go. Yeah, we'll get back to the farm pretty soon, but today it's all about charity, and Jackie Bagnall is putting on an annual ploughing match. We didn't get to do it last year, so we're hoping for a good turnout this time. And you would have seen I put up a post a little while ago inviting you all along, and yeah, anyone's welcome. We try and keep it vintage and classics only, but yeah, you can come and get involved in the ploughing match, or you can just come, pay a tenner, and you can go plough or cultivate or do whatever you want to bring, you can do on the free ploughing fields that we got there. Oh, bit bouncy, bit bouncy. Yeah, anyway, all the proceeds are going to go to Oxford Air Ambulance. That's usually the norm, but yeah, one of the charities like that. There goes Linda. We went out, we borrowed Alistair's plough. Unfortunately, Alistair and Hamish aren't going to make it today, but they've let us use their plough for the Ford. We used it last time. Last time we used it with 3 furrows on, but this time it's a 3+1, and we're just going to, whoa! We're just going to leave the 4th one on and see if it'll pick it up. I think it'll pick it up. But Keithy's going to meet me over there. We're going to go and hook her on. Alright, kiddo! We're good?
I think so, yeah.
I'm late, man.
Yeah.
Forgot. I had it all planned out. Didn't realise Hazel was with me. So that didn't go to plan. Oh, maybe I should have used a lower gear. Yeah. Where have you been? Did you get one for me? Good morning. I've got them set wide for you. Got your balls?
You've left your balls on.
Sorry. Okay, we're going to see if this can pick this up now. Let's just see what it does. Just needs a bit of juice. Now, we've got to keep that a real nice straight line, otherwise everybody will know. They'll say, who did that? That's doing a nice job. It's a little bit sticky this morning. It's been raining, but they are saying it's going to clear up. So we got the drone with us, so we'll get some nice pictures later on. And the plough match is just a couple of fields over. We're just Keithy's got her set up for us. Charlie's going to turn the plough over now. Last year we ran it as a 3, but yeah, we're trying it as a 4 this year. You can see what it does is just turns the soil over, buries all of the straw and rubbish, buries it all. Then you'll come over next with a cultivator to level it all off. And this is, it's not easy pulling, it's all clay soil, you can see how shiny it is. It's all clay. It's like plasticine. So not the easiest of conditions, and it's a bit slippy about as well. Hey? Why?
Rematch practice out.
Oh no! No! Look at that. That is cool, man. Whose is that? That is, look at the door on that. This thing's wicked. Look how big the cab is. Oh mate. I don't think I've seen this one up here before, Charlie. Man, that's cool, isn't it? Oh look, and he's got a little LED upgrade package on there. Like, I like that one. Jordan, all right, mate?
We was going to put the discs behind.
Right.
Pipes were too short.
Oh. See, that's not prep, is it? He should have been out there last night checking that.
I know something. Dad told me to go and check it. He said it was down the stone pit. I went down the stone pit, got all stung to death looking at it. He said it was up wrong ladder when I got home.
He's done you over then. Yes. What's going on? All of these cakes. Oh, can I have a cup of tea? Are you right?
Got your camera set up then?
Yep.
Mind you don't catch on that marquee.
Oh yeah. You alright? Good. Yeah, good. I'm alright.
You can have a go ploughing.
I see you yesterday. I see you down playing field.
Yeah. I was down watching.
I didn't know if you saw me.
Of course I saw you. I waved at you.
So, it seems we meet again, young man.
No. Why is he here?
Alright.
Yeah.
Where you at?
Standing about.
Are you going to win this year?
Of course I am not.
Every year, you always come last.
Well, the years you come, I do, yeah.
What you got to do is look forward, innit, Dave? Just keep looking forward. Control,
No.
speed and power.
You get more in a wonky lap.
Get your eyes shut up.
prize, W. Varney. And he also wins the best junior cup.
Hey. Taking the silverware as well.
Best playman, John Paul.
Did you make these, Joe? Did you? Everything? Have they all been sold?
Yeah.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, just a bit hot and all.
How many did you make this time?
Well, I look back, and 10 years ago when we started, I made 4. And I made 15 yesterday.
15? Oh my god.
No, thanks.
Alright, mister?
I'll get you far, man.
No, not only if you have one, it's alright.
You work me too hard, I don't get that.
Yeah, exactly. We'll burn it off tomorrow, don't worry.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. The time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
We've had a good day. Everyone's had a good day. The sun's come out in the end. I think they've made some money for charity, so I'll put that in the edit, how much they made for charity. I think it goes to is it
Air Ambulance.
Air Ambulance. So yeah, that's where we're going to leave it anyway. I hope you enjoyed that one. Videos are coming. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. They must like and
Subscribe.
there we go.